What's up, everybody? It's Aaron. We're starting off the vlog in a different situation. We're in the CRV, the K24 VA killer, and right now we're waiting for Gabe to come out. And in today's video, I'll tell you later on, but we're gonna be picking up something for the RSX. It's gonna be my third time buying this thing. You probably already know what it is. Hopefully this one doesn't break on me again in about a week or two, but fingers crossed, nothing happens. So yeah, every time I broke this thing, it's been against a train track. Like every time it broke on me, it was because of a train track. Them stupid train tracks, bro. Every time I go slow on it, it just, it's bad. But right now, we're at Gabe's house. Hey. What? Toby! Wow, man, he's back again. He's been out of commission for about 3 weeks, and he just got Toby back, I think, like 2 days ago, 3 days ago. So, yeah, I'm glad he's back. Hey, what the? Hey, what the, man?
Sex. I need some wet shit.
Oh, okay. Hello, man.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
Hey, man.
Hey, man. Hey, whose miata is that? I don't know, man.
Who was that, man? Who was that, man? I don't think the vlog's ever seen this guy before.
No?
This is Gabe. Oh yeah, you have.
Yeah, I was pressure washing.
Oh yeah, you're right. But his car's right there.
Finally.
Finally, guy.
In the shop for way too long.
Yes.
New clutch.
Oh yes. Hey, how's it feel, man? How's it feel?
It feels so good, man.
Oh really?
I feel so much. I can feel the 400 horsepower.
Oh okay.
Yeah, you know?
Oh, y'all didn't know yet, but that thing's push about 1,000 horsepower, right? 2J at least, bro. But not dyno yet. But you know that's the estimated horsepower. But today, me and Gabe are going to be going to it's like an hour away. I don't know why he lives over there, but yeah.
Why you live there, man?
Hey, why you live there? Why you live there, bro? We'll see you guys at the location. All right, we're back. Damn, that lighting though, man. I can't even see myself, but hey, good.
Oh, same.
Oh
man.
yeah, man.
Yeah, we just were here after a little makeout session. I'm just kidding. Maybe.
We're waiting for the dude. Hey, where he at, man? Hey, where he at, man? He don't want smoke in this car, bro. I swear to God.
What if he comes with a splitter on his car?
He's like, hey. Take this off from me, man. Don't mind this noise. I'm gonna get a strap soon, so yeah. Hey, Gabe, what you think, man?
I think the splitter is nice, man.
It's not even here yet, man.
Hey, man. Just edit it after, bro.
Oh, yes.
Hey, man, you know what I'm saying, man?
Hey, man. Oh, yes. We got it. What you think now, man?
I don't like it, man.
Hey, what the?
Nice, man.
Hey, what the, man? Hey, what the?
Don't break it, man.
Bro, I swear to God, bro. If it breaks on me this week, I don't know. I came over here for a fucking splitter. An hour drive, hour and 15 minutes. The dude seemed cool. He was driving around for like 10 minutes trying to find us. You should probably put it on your car.
No, I'm gonna break it because, you know, static life.
Man, oh, yeah, static life, yes.
Static is the only way to go.
Yes. Fuck bags, eh? We're gonna go head home, get some food to eat, and then we'll see you guys when we get home. Alright guys, we're back again. I just got home. I just dropped Gabe off, and I'll show you guys what happened to the other splitter. Here is the old one. Sheesh. And then here's the new one. It should be a quick install, and we'll head to the meetup with Gabe and stuff for the car meet, little mini car meet that we're hosting. So yeah, here's the before, and there's the new lip. So let's just put this on. It should be a quick, easy install.
A few moments later.
Guys, it did not fit the RSX, so I gotta give it to Billy. I'm gonna sell it to Billy for how much I bought it for. And then I guess I'm gonna run no lip or splitter for the next week. So I buy a new one. Sad guy, man, sad guy. Hey man, how come you didn't tell me, man? It don't fit, man.
Hey man, you know, man, I told you I don't like you, man. But
hey,
you got it still, man.
Hey, shut up, man. So we're just meeting up right now with the boys. We're gonna wait for, I think, Justin and Chen, and then I don't know who else is coming, but yeah, we got most of the boys here. We got Billy, we got Chris, Gabe, me, and Sergio. So we're just waiting on them. Hopefully they come, and hopefully there's some baddies. You know what I'm saying? No, sis. We're gonna be trying this new place out. I already tried it last night, but it's a place called Somi Somi in Elk Grove. If y'all wanna go there, that place is bomb, so yeah. But yeah, we'll see you guys when we're cruising. Yes. If you guys don't know, you know. It's in Elk Grove with the boys. Yeah. Damn, bro, what the fuck? Oh, hell no. Hey, it's worth it though, no cap.
It's cold, bro. Push the blue part.
Hey, man.
Hey, what the? You're out of line, man. We go first.
Hey, you cutting now.
Hey, you cutting, man.
Hey, man, you're cutting us, man.
Hey, whoa. Chillax, man.
Yes, how you do that?
Hey, he cut. No, he cut.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hey, what? Are we together, man?
I don't know, man. Are we?
Are we together?
You're doing what? Together today.
What about it?
Oh,
That's what.
I can't.
Oh, you can't say that. You're not allowed to say that. Wow.
Hey, we're not trying to leak it.
Hey, you're hella loud, man.
Oh, I thought she meant to get
Oh. Wow.
Hey, look at this guy with a new camera.
Hey, what? What are you doing, man?
You will make a B-roll in here.
A bit. Oh. Alright. Cover the camera.
Right
Three.
there, right there.
Okay. Ready?
Oh, wait, let me do it.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
This.
The one with your props?
Yeah.
How about this?
Whoa. Hey, chill out, man. Chill out.
Thank you.
Chill out, man. Hey, chill out, man.
good?
Oh, whoa, chill out, man. Before I get Austin on you,
Think this is a
man.
gun, bro? It's my
Oh.
dick.
Oh, yes, I like it.
Like, you know what I'm saying? Come on, man. You know how it is, you know what I mean? Like,
Fashion. Oh.
You can never
what you know
make
about
the
this, though? What
horse
you know about this?
drink
Hey,
the
get the full
water.
fit. Get the full fit, though. You know what I'm saying? Hey, get the full fit, though. You feel me?
Cars and fences.
And I know these niggas mad as fuck. Bitch, I'm in a trap with T and we throw it up.
Hey, what you think? What you think about that? What was that? What you
You know
think?
what I'm saying? Come on. Look at this.
Oh my God. Sheesh. What you think, Antonio? What you think? Oh, okay, good. Thumbs up. Yes.
Oh wait, come on, there's a camera.
You,
And I know these niggas mad as fuck.
Hey, film me you, though.
What?
Okay, you can never make the horse drink the water.
Good inspirational quote, man. Good. Alright guys, sorry to cut it short, but this is gonna be the end of the video. It wasn't really a car vlog, but it was just more of like a little vlog, like a day in the life. And I hope you guys enjoyed that. There'll be more of that coming soon, integrated to my car vlogs and like car parts and all that stuff. That lip actually did not fit my car, so I'm gonna sell that to Billy. I'm just gonna order a new one today, and then hopefully do an install probably by the next 3-5 days. So yeah, I'll update you guys on the RSX soon, and hope you guys enjoyed the new camera quality. Hope everything's good and smooth, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next vlog. This is AronRSX signing out. Peace.